Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. This morning I told you I'd do a giveaway, and I kind of looked yesterday and I was all over the place with the giveaway. I hit 12,000 subs and I think that's awesome, so thank you guys. I'm sitting out here enjoying the pond, our lake. We're gonna call it a pond half the time, but it's Bluebird Lake, guys. And I've got my cup of Ticino, I've got a snack, and I'm sitting here just chilling. But I've been busting it all morning. I got up and helped Danny cut a little bit of sugar cane to go on our Etsy store. There'll be more come Monday maybe, but we have to process the orders to see how much we have left because we don't want to short ourselves sugar cane for us to make syrup. And so we got through with that. Danny's moving dirt, and I just flipped all the dirt in a carrot bed. One bed. I'm give out. I added all the amendments and done all that. So there's a video on Deep South coming up next week on carrot beds. What we did to get them ready and get them planted. And so it is time, if you're in the South, down here close to us, to start with carrots. So the giveaway for my subs. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a Mother Earth News 1-year subscription to the winner. Plus a gift bag. You know, I'll send a little gift box with some stuff. Probably some Ticino, I don't know, some Crazy Days stuff. Books. I have several books. Some by Jeff Motes. I want to do a review on his shortly. Awesome books. Ron Foster. I got some of his books left, 2 or 3 of those, and I may add something like that because if I do a one price box, I can put the books in there along with some other Deep South goodies. And y'all, look at this. Let me see if I can do this. Y'all see that? Oh, it flew. Ha! Okay, so you got to see it for a second. He flew right as quickly as I got to him. But the little birds are flying around. It's peaceful out here, guys. This is why we built a pond, to have an extra water source, to have a place to come, watch nature at its finest, and our ponds are looking awesome. We're getting it where there's grass growing. You see this? Once this pond gets up, it'll be to right. You see that pink flag? Let me see if you can see it. Somewhere there's a pink flag in there. The water comes to right there. And so all that green grass you see is going to be underwater. And that's if we get some rain. We've got minute amounts of rain for the last 2 months, and it's not enough to fill the pond. It's enough to keep the pond at a certain level. Plus it's spring fed, so it's going to stay at a certain level no matter whether we're in a drought or not. But Danny and I enjoy the pond. We're really enjoying it. Okay, so Crazy Days. I keep getting sidetracked, guys. A book by Ron Foster, probably. Maybe the books by Jeff Motes. These may go in 2 separate boxes. I may pick 2 different winners. The Mother Earth News subscription for 1 year. Then I will add some Deep South something I've canned somewhere along the way that's different that you won't get anywhere else. And we'll see. I'm not sure which one I'll pick, and I might put a choice in the description. I don't know. It's hard for me to decide. Just tell me something. That's what we can do. Okay, so to enter, this is spur of the moment. To enter, tell me you would like to be entered. You would like the Mother Earth News subscription. You'd like a book, either Jeff Motes, Ron Foster, or Betty's Box of Blessings books. That's the 3 choices that you will have. And then you can say, I would like blah, whether it's cowboy candy, blueberry syrup, whatever I've done. I'm not going to guarantee you that's what you're getting, but tell me something that you would like, and I will look at all the comments. Whether it's a jelly jam, that's the easiest for me to do. Syrups, cane syrup, you name it. If you've seen me do it, put it in the description if it's something you liked. And I'm not saying that's what you'll get, but if you're the winner, we'll see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit with Crazy Days this morning. I'm going to do my best to get the winner picked, let's say Today is Saturday. Let's do it Monday. If I can, before Monday night, I will pick a winner and get back with you guys. So 5 minutes of my day, taking a break, talking to you guys, and we'll see you later from Crazy Days.